Hello students, today we will learn generalized momenta and energy. So first we will see generalized momentum or momenta. So this question is very important. Okay, so in exam the question may be asked, that is, define generalized momenta and energy. So consider a motion of particle of mass m moving along x-axis. So its linear momentum, we know that the formula for linear momentum is mass into velocity, and velocity, if the particle is moving only along one direction, that is x direction, so its velocity is nothing but dx by dt, that is x dot. So linear momentum will be p is equal to mx dot. And the formula for kinetic energy, that kinetic energy for that particle will become half m x dot square, since velocity is x dot, so half m x dot square. Now we'll differentiate this equation with respect to x dot, so we'll get del t by del x dot, that is half m, and derivative of x dot square is twice x dot square, twice x dot, to cancel out. So we'll get del t by del, that is partial derivative of kinetic energy, del t by del x with respect to x dot is equal to mx dot, and x dot is velocity and m is mass, so m into velocity, that is p from this equation. So suppose this is equation number 1. So in equation number 1, the partial derivative of kinetic energy with respect to x dot is the linear momentum. Now potential energy is not the function of velocity, that is x dot. Okay, so its partial derivative with respect to x dot is 0, del v by del x dot equal to 0, since potential energy is not the function of the velocity, that is x dot. Now consider del L by del X, the partial differentiation of Lagrangian del L by del X dot, where L is nothing but T minus V. So the difference between kinetic and potential energy, that is Lagrangian. So del by del X dot T minus V. So we will separate this partial derivative, we will separate the terms. So del T by del X dot minus del V by del X dot, since where potential energy is not the function of X dot, so this term will be 0. So we will get del T by del X dot is nothing but p, that is from equation number 1. So we will get del L by del X dot is equal to p. So del L by del X dot equal to p. Suppose this is equation number 2. Suppose this x is equal to generalized coordinate, that is qk. So this momentum will be generalized momentum, that is pk. So equation number 2 become, in place of as x we will put generalized coordinates, so this momentum become generalized momentum pk. Equation number 2 becomes del L by del qk dot equal to pk. So this is generalized momenta. So this is generalized, this is the general expression for generalized momenta. So generalized momenta is partial derivative of Lagrangian with respect to generalized velocity. So the partial derivative of Lagrangian with respect to generalized velocity is known as generalized momenta. So this is the simple definition of generalized momenta, and this is the expression for generalized momenta, and we have seen in the full derivation related to the generalized momenta. Now we will see the generalized energy. So generalized energy can be defined as, or can be expressed as, this equation. So it is the total energy, that is Hamiltonian, okay, summation over k, that is the product of generalized momentum and velocity minus Lagrangian. So generalized energy is Hamiltonian, which is equal to the product of, which is equal to the summation of product of generalized momentum, okay, momenta, and generalized velocity minus Lagrange. So generalized velocity qk dot and corresponding generalized momenta pk minus Lagrangian. So this generalized energy can be represented in the form of Hamiltonian, which is equal to the product of generalized momenta and generalized velocity minus Lagrangian. So this is the simple definition of generalized energy with expression. So today we have seen what is generalized momenta and how to derive generalized momenta and its expression, and we have also seen generalized energy. Thank you very much.